Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Naure and karibu to Naureness. If you're new to this channel, karibu sana. If you are not new, karibu tena, and thank you for stopping by to watch. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do this hair, and pardon me, excuse me for today. I have a cold. I intended that my first video will be on, basics, shampoo basics, conditioner basics, like what you look for when you're picking a shampoo, what to look for when you're picking a conditioner, but basically it was supposed to be shampoo. But unfortunately I got a cold and I feel like my voice is not like, in the best state to explain to you guys, like, the details, because I'm honestly struggling to like breathe and pronounce some words, but otherwise I am very good. I hope you are good. If you have any questions regarding anything you'd want me to talk about, please don't forget to leave a comment there, and also subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the content, and don't forget to share this video. Let's grow, let's help one another. So let's straight into the video. The braids I use here are Ceres, and actually you don't really have to have natural hair to use a puff. If you have relaxed hair, from my opinion, I think it will lay back very well. And instead of using Ceres, you can actually use Ceres, but you can use like normal braids, like the straight can come on braids. It's still going to work very well because it's going to blend with your hair. But if you have relaxed hair which has a bit of natural hair, like you're basically almost transitioning, Ceres will be the, it will really blend well. And also if you have natural hair, you can use Ceres or fluffy kinky. Currently these are all Ceres braids, and these are the ones I'm going to use. So let's get straight into the video. next part is now the crochet braids. I've actually divided them into two. This one is a bit more compared to this one because this one is the one I want to be at the front. It's gonna be the front bow. So what you just do is arrange them like basically like that. Just take them, arrange them straight like that. So make sure they're leveled. So I'm gonna take this one, bring this one here. So you have something like this. It's like a bag, like that. Then take this one and pull it like that. So you have something like that, yes? Something like that. So this is basically for the front bow. Okay, so I'll just do the same thing with this one. So as you can see guys, I'm done. I am really done. However, as you can see, there's like a white residue here, but it's because my hair hasn't really dried. This style is already done, and we are already done, and I mean, who will tell this is not your hair? So the next thing is left is to accessorize. I mean, whatever you want to do to it. I'm gonna put my flowers just there. So So guys, that was it for today. So before I go, I want you guys, next week we'll be doing a video on the shampoo basics. So please don't forget to leave the answers to the questions I asked previously, like when I started the video, on what do you look for in a shampoo if you're a guy or a girl, and if you're a guy, do you use shampoo to shampoo your hair regardless of the length of your hair, or do you just, you know, rush into the shower and whatever soap you're showering with is the same soap you're using on your hair? And if you do use shampoos, what types of shampoos do you use, and what do you look for when you're purchasing a shampoo? So from me, it's bye.